Okay, today I'm going to show you how to switch from running 2 or more remote remote generators to contact mode, meaning you want to hold the hand cylinders or whatever your contact mode is for 1 hour a day, and then come back to get both those generators running again. Okay, that's what this video is. So right now, let's assume right now you can see 5 generators are running. They're green, but you probably only have, say, 2 of those. So let's focus on just saying that you have 2 generators here for the sake of this video. Okay, so what I want you to do is click on the generator that you want to stop, because again, you don't have an extra generator to just keep your hand cylinders connected into a generator by itself. You don't have an extra generator, so you have to use a currently running generator. You have to stop it for a while and then disconnect and connect it back up. Okay, so in this case, we've got a person who's got a Lloyd generator. We're going to go ahead and hit. I already clicked the 4. You want to select the one you want to stop. Okay, and then you would hit stop. As soon as you hit stop, you can see it turns red. All right. Now, what you want to do is, we found that we found through before and after tests and experiments that we've run in the past few months that to get the maximum benefit out of contact mode, meaning holding the hand cylinders, you get better results on contact mode running of the generator if no other generators are running. So now these are other people are running these generators here, but mine, for example, are 3 and 4. These are my 2 generators. So let's say I want to connect my hand cylinders, run contact mode. I've already stopped the program, this one, because I'm going to use that same generator to run contact mode. But I also have to pause my other generator. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one, and you can see here there's Lorraine and there's another generator. So I'm going to hit pause. Again, the reason is you get better results if you pause all other generators you're running on your body when you run for the 1 hour that you're doing contact mode. Got it? Okay, so now what we're going to do is click on the presets tab, and we are going to select the contact mode preset. Hopefully you will have already set this up, because you have to, especially if you plan on holding the hand cylinders 1 hour a day, running contact mode 1 hour a day. So you would want to create a preset. So in this case, this person is wanting to run RSV, which is respiratory syncytial virus, RSV. So you want to click on that one, make it blue, single left click, go to control, check the allow generator overwrites. In your case, some of them say overwrite generator, some of them say allow generator overwrites. You would put a check mark inside there, single left click inside there, and then you want to use this generator that's free, because it's pink right now, it's red. So click on that. As you can see at the top, it shows RSV contact mode, and you would hit start. So now it's running that, and as you can see right here, it turned green. So now you're in contact mode. So what you want to do right now is disconnect your disconnect the cable right here. There's a whole other video how to do that. You want to disconnect that cable right here and then connect in your TENS cable, which is the red and black cable with the wands. Okay. All right, and then now what we want to do, let's assume that you've already held the hand cylinders for 1 hour. What you want to do, once you're complete, you already know it's RSV contact mode. You can go ahead and hit stop. Okay, as you can see, it turns red. The next thing you want to do is click on the square that's yellow, the paused generator. You can just click right on it, single left click, and then you want to hit pause. Pause actually resumes it. Okay, so you can see it turn green. So basically hitting pause again resumes it. So now what we want to do, now we have you've already started up your other generator here, and you can see it, it's right there. Now what we want to do is get our regular program going back again using that one generator. So go back to presets, and you won't see all these programs here, presets here, but you find the one that you were running before, you click on it, turns blue. Then you want to go straight to control. Check the box up in the left-hand corner, allow generator overrides. Single left click on the red square that's available, and then you want to hit start. And it loads as soon as you hit start. Give it a few seconds and it turns green. Okay, that's pretty much it. You can close the lid if you'd like. All right.